Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, we learned how to reverse a string and reverse words in a string without using STL. Today we will learn how to check whether a string is a palindrome or not in C++ without using STL, which is very common interview question. So let's start. I write here a question. Write a program check palindrome string. So if I talk about palindrome string reads the same from left to right and right to left. Example is like madam. Madam is a palindrome string. Also Naman is also a palindrome string. But hello is not a palindrome string. Or my name is also not a palindrome string. So we will write a logic to find a string is a palindrome or not. For that we will first include the include file iostream, then we using namespace, just a second, using namespace std. Then we write our main function int main and end with a return 0. Now we will write our main logic. Here first we take a character array str of 100 words. In this video we will not using the string inbuilt libraries to find the length of a string. So we will find the length of a string by our loop. So initiate the int length variable with 0 and also take a boolean of is palindrome and initiate with the true. This will help us to find the string is palindrome or not. So first we take a input from the user, enter a string, then cin str. We can also write here cin dot get inline to minimize the or to reduce the bug of space in the string, but here we are using the standard. We will take as a continuous string. Okay, so then we run a while loop until we find the null character in the string str len and len plus plus to find the length of the string. Then we start our main loop for int I equal to 0, I less than len slash 2 and I plus plus. Then I write a condition here to if str of I is not equal to str of len minus I minus 1, and if we find this condition then we make this boolean to false and break the loop. Okay, let's make this syntax correct, and now we will print the result. Condition is if is palindrome, then print cout, then print cout palindrome string, or we can say E and D, and if it is not, then else C out, not a palindrome string. Make this more syntaxically correct. Now this is our code, logical code to find the string is palindrome or not. Okay, let me explain this code. First here I find the length of this string without using the string libraries. Then compare the first and last character moving towards the center. Center means length half 2. Length half 2 is the center of the string. Okay. If all characters match, the string is palindrome. If it is not, then we here mention a condition like stri not equal to strlen len minus I. That is, if the character of starting is not matching the character from the last, then we make the boolean character is palindrome to the false and break the loop. Okay, and in the last we print the condition. If it is a palindrome, then it prints the palindrome string. If it is not, then it's print the not a palindrome string. Now run the code. Here it is asking for a string. Let's enter the madam. Here madam is a palindrome string. If I run again and I mention here my name SCRMSH, then it shows that it's not a palindrome string. So these are all the things in the palindrome, and this is our logic to find the string is a palindrome or not. So this question is mostly asked in the interviews, so this will help you to crack the interview. If this video helped you, like and subscribe. Watch my previous video on string reverse and reversing the word in a string at the same position. Till now, thank you.